Okay guys, welcome to another episode in this tutorial. We are gonna discuss about keyword identifiers, variables, and this environment here, programming. Um, First of all, let's start with the very top first line. Include stdio.h. What does it mean? The include means there is some functions or declaration and definitions in this header file which we are going to use it. For example, like printf, like some stuff like basic variables and stuff. It's just a standard library that we are using, like some set of functions like int main or some others, and it just tells the compiler that hey, such a standard library input output exists, go get it. And then now the compiler knows where is the declaration, and then so on. You don't need to know this. We were gonna get to it later. Now let's see what is the int main. Int main is a function that everything between these two curly braces is gonna be executed. So, and this is the type of this function. We will get to functions later on. Now let's say int. What is int? Int is a type name. Int is a keyword that says we can have an integer. We are declaring an integer. Let's say a name of a number is equals to 10. What does this line mean? This means that the data type of this identifier is integer, which means it can store a whole number. And we can print this by saying calling printf function with modulus d, and by saying the variable here, listing the variable. Now we can run this program and see we get 10. So now we're gonna discuss about integer numbers, say x. Now we are declaring, and when we are declaring a variable, we should put a semicolon at the end, and this is just how we write it. And we can assign the x to some value, say 10, and we can use printf function to print that. Use ampersand, sorry, modulus and d, and we say the variable here. How we write the definitions is we can write it in a single line. Let's say int y equals 20. We are here defining, this is a definition, this is a declaration, and this is an assignment. So here we say this is a declaration, this is an assignment, and this is a definition. And here we say print x, printf, modulus d, we say print y. Okay, and here we can miss the semicolon. Here we can see 10 and 20. And we move on with the other data types. So first we write the data type, and then the identifier or the variable name, and then we assign it to a value, or we just do it like this. Both are fine. And we have other data types such as float, which can have a floating point, let's say like z. We can have it like 30, something like that. Say printf, and then we can have float. We can also do double number equals something. Float stores 4 bytes, double stores 8 bytes. It just stores more. So if you need like more number, we can use double. If you need less space, you can use float. There's no problem. Then we also have a character char data type, which stores 1 byte only, and it's just one single character. So we can say like say single equals we have to specify it in this two commas.